This house had an old cedar shake roof, getting fairly long in the tooth. 30-year-old cedar shake roof and covered in moss and alive. The birds liked it, but it was at the end of its life, and so it needed to go. And insurers in this part of West Vancouver in particular, which is on the edge of a forest, will no longer insure cedar shakes. So we needed to look for an alternative. And this is what we landed on. Now, the appearance actually was a concern, and it was a concern up until I could see it installed. And it really looks great. It improves the look of the house. The roof, it's an unusual roof line. And as it turns out, the slate profile is the one that works just from a practical perspective on this rounded roof line. The cedar shake profile wasn't one that worked. I think this probably looks better than that would have anyway, so we're pleased with it. We plan to live here for a while, but also can see that when we sell it, it'll be a feature, I think, of the house for the next buyer. In light of our experience, I'd say you can't go wrong if you pick Interlock. The crew is exceptionally good. They've been quicker than I expected. Honestly, showed up a little earlier in the season than I expected and got to work quickly and are getting the job done. It was 30-some years old, thick cedar shakes, but they were rotten. It was very definitely at the end of its life. We needed to look for an alternative. It's been very smooth for a big, complicated job, been very satisfactory. The efficiency of the installation and watching it go on gives you some sense of the robustness of the product. It was kind of nice to see how it all fits together. And the quality of the materials, it's pretty clear that they're exceptionally good materials. It is an exceptional product. So if you've got a house that needs that kind of roof, and I don't think there are that many realistic alternatives. This environment's tough. It's ice and snow and rain and needles. So an indestructible roof fit the bill. It's the last time we'll have to roof, and because this is a challenging environment here, other kinds of materials I think would not have held up for very long at all, really. It does actually feel really good. It does seem pretty bulletproof, and that matters here. We get windstorms, we get branches falling on the roof, we get everything you get on the West Coast, and it feels a lot more comfortable having what's up there now than it did having the old cedar shakes. I would hardly recommend Interlock to others. I would have no hesitation. It is an exceptional product.